Hello. If you are wondering where I am on top of a mast of a cargo ship. We are in the port of Maputo in Mozambique, and I am on top of the mast. This is the highest place on our ship. Well, first of all, if you are watching this video for the first time, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, go and subscribe. I was doing videos in my native language, which is Sinhala, and thought of doing very short video for those who want to watch from outside Sri Lanka. And as you can see, this is a bulk carrier. We carry cargo in bulk, as the name suggests. And right now we are loading in Maputo, Mozambique. We are loading some iron ore, and we are supposed to sail to South Africa to load more, and we will be discharging this cargo in China. So what we can see when we get to the top of the mast. So from here you can see some holes open right here. These are called hatches. Right now all the hatch covers are open, and you can see two radars which navigators use for navigation, obviously. And there are some lights right here and some antennas right here. And our electrician is doing some maintenance work down there. I just came with him to show you guys around. And you can see our starboard bridge wing, port side bridge wing. And from here you can see the funnel. On top of the funnel we have exhaust lines for main engine, auxiliary engines, and some other machineries. And you can see from here our aft side of the ship, and some cranes right here. From here you can see the cargo storage area. They are waiting to be loaded on a ship. Probably around 70,000 of this cargo will be loaded on our ship. Already some 70,000 tons loaded to our ship. Already 70,000 tons has been loaded to our ship. And some other equipments, anemometer, and most importantly, when you get on top of something like this, you should wear the safety harness. That is what I'm wearing, and secure it to a secured location, or else you could be in trouble. That's it. I just wanted to do a small short video in English. If you are interested, you can go to my channel and give it a subscribe and watch the videos. Most of the videos I did in my native language, but soon I will start doing videos in English language. Subscribe in advance if you like. Thank you for watching. See you.